it's Reality. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I do to keep my immune system strong, and the same thing actually works whenever you do get sick to help speed up the process of recovery. I actually got sick several days ago and I did this complete routine and I got better in 48 hours. And I know for some people that probably rely on medication or they don't do these natural remedies, it could make their symptoms more severe or you're just sicker longer for like a week or two. But for me, I was able to heal in 2 days, and honestly, I give it all to these natural remedies, this routine that I'm about to show you. I know everyone's body is not one size fits all. I don't have any underlying conditions like diabetes or hypertension, so obviously these things will work better on an averagely healthy person, but I would still implement these things every so often just to keep your immune system strong. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. The first thing I like to do is drink an immunity boosting juice. There's all sorts of different recipes, but for this one, I just used oranges, carrots, and ginger. You can make it at home yourself, or if you don't have a juicer, you can just go somewhere where they do make different types of juice. Carrots help your body produce more vitamin K, which helps your body fight off bacterial and viral infections. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which contributes to the immune defense by supporting different cellular functions that's needed to strengthen the immune system. Ginger helps reduce inflammation so that your body can recover quicker. This is the carrot, ginger, and orange juice. Besides it being really good for your immune system, it tastes amazing. Love this juice. I'm gonna drink the whole thing today, but make sure to sip slow and just take your time drinking your juice. Barley grass is really good for eliminating any type of free radicals or neurotoxins out of your body. It does stimulate your digestive system, which is good though, because you know that it's eliminating and getting rid of things that your body is trying to get rid of itself already. There's lots of different ways to consume barley grass powder, but for this regimen, I just added half a teaspoon in a glass of water. You can also add lime to freshen it up. As for supplements, I did take elderberry because it has vitamin C and zinc, which is great for boosting your immune system as well. Those are all the supplemental things that I took, but I cannot stress enough the two biggest things that I did to heal myself and have a fast recovery is, number one, I drank a lot of water. You have to drink a gallon of water and some whenever you're not feeling good. You just have to. For so many obvious reasons, I made sure that I did that. There was no slacking in that area. If you have to go buy a gallon of water and just keep refilling a cup, whatever works best for you, make sure that your water intake is high and that you consistently do it until you start to feel better. Secondly, I got a lot of rest. Your body cannot function properly. It cannot do all of your tasks, give you energy, and fight an infection or a virus or bacteria that's in your body. And it needs to have time to do that in your body. So if you're constantly giving a lot of energy to other tasks throughout your day, it's gonna take longer for your body to recover. I literally stayed in bed for 24 hours. I got up to do things like use the restroom and eat, but other than that, I was pretty much bedridden. Not because I was extremely tired, but because I was listening to my body and I knew that's exactly what I needed to heal. So water and rest are two of the biggest things you can do for your body whenever you're sick, and honestly, just do that as much as possible in your life, and that is how you recover very fast. For those of you that want to know more about how to use food as medicine, I would recommend reading this book. It's called Food as Medicine. This is the author, I don't want to botch his name, but it's a really great book. This is the first book that I read that got me interested in learning how to use nutrition to heal my body. I will link this book in the description box so you can check it out yourself. A book like this would definitely help you get your feet wet to learn how to use food to heal your body. So go ahead and check this book out. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and I will see you all in the next video.